this video, I will show you how to work with web feature services in QGIS. In QGIS, open the Data Source Manager. In the Data Source Manager box, go to the WFS tab. Once you are in the WFS tab, you can create a connection. Alternatively, you can also do this in the browser panel. In the browser panel, click on WFS Features, right-click and choose New Connection. And you will see there is also a name and URL function, and you can do it from the browser panel. We're going to create a new connection, and we're going to call it Kenya. And here, paste in the URL from our worksheet. Once you've done that, click OK. And then click Connect. You will see that a wide range of layers has opened in your server connections. And we want to look at the Kenya layers. And here you will see Kenya Admin Level 3. Click on the layer and press Add. It may take some time to load the features. Once the data is drawn onto the map canvas, click the Zoom to Full tool to have a look at all the data. It sometimes takes some time to reload the features because each time it comes through, it's pulling from the internet or pulling from the web service that you got the data from. Make sure the layer is selected and open the attribute table. You will see that there is data associated with the polygons that we've pulled from the data source, that they're in Kenya. You can see the wards and you can see the names of the wards, and you can just have a look and examine the data. All right. If you look in your browser panel here, you will see that the connection shows up in the browser as well. The connection that we made using the Data Source Manager. If you click on the down arrow, you will see that all of the layers are also in the browser panel, so you can pull layers out of here. You can also change the layer's symbology. So if I double click on the layer and open the layer properties, you can see the symbology and you can play around and change the type of symbology. I'm going to change the color to this crazy rainbow color, but you can really choose any color you like, and click OK. And you'll see that the map has been updated into whatever symbol you would like to be. So play around, be creative, and create a map that makes sense. Secondly, I would like to show how you can filter and ask for specific wards within the Kenya layer. So let's open the Data Source Manager again and go to WFS, the tab. And then within the tab, I want to choose the Kenya Admin Level 2 layer. Once I've chosen that, I want to choose the Build Query tool. And then paste the query from your worksheet. The query must look like this. If you paste it directly from your worksheet, it may have slightly different formatting, but make sure that your query is in this format with the correct colors on the correct words, and then press OK. If I open the box a bit more, you can see the query that has been generated. There's a selection query here. Now if you say add the layer, you will see that only the ward chosen has been added. You can't see very nicely with the crazy symbology I've chosen. So let's double click on the layer and go back to symbology and choose something a little more tame. Click OK. And you can see the selection that we have made from the admin 2.